The proverb, "birds of a feather flock together," suggests that individuals with similar characteristics, backgrounds, or interests often tend to associate or group themselves together. It implies that people are naturally drawn to others who share similar traits or qualities, such as values, behaviors, beliefs, or interests. This saying highlights several key points. 1. Similarity in behavior. It suggests that people who have commonalities tend to seek out and build relationships with others who share those similarities. These commonalities can be in terms of personality, values, or interests. 2. Group dynamics. Flock together alludes to the natural tendency for like-minded individuals to form social groups or communities. This behavior is often observed in various contexts, such as social gatherings, communities, or workplaces. 3. Social influence. The proverb also points to the idea that individuals can influence and be influenced by the company they keep. Surrounding oneself with people who share similar perspectives or behaviors can reinforce certain attitudes or behaviors. 4. Sense of belonging. Being around those who share similar traits can create a sense of belonging and understanding, leading to stronger social bonds and a feeling of mutual connection and support. 5. Common interests. The saying can also imply that people are naturally inclined to engage with others who have similar interests or hobbies. This common ground can facilitate more meaningful and fulfilling interactions and relationships. Summing up, "birds of a feather flock together" emphasizes the human tendency to form relationships and communities with those who share similar characteristics or interests. It suggests that shared traits and values play a significant role in the formation of social connections and communities, highlighting the importance of commonalities in interpersonal relationships. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more educative videos.